Hey everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. Anyway, nothing much happens here. But today I was craving Indian food, so that's what we're going to do. I think I'm gonna make some naan, rice, lentils, maybe broccoli, and I think I'll leave it at that. I overcompensate sometimes and it doesn't really end well, so let's try to be simple and see where it takes us. All right, let's get this started. Some rice, oh gosh. Some rice in the rice cooker. Let's add some water. I think that's fine. I don't know. It took a while to find the cover, but we got it. So while that's doing what it does, let's move on to the vegetables. So I bought some samosas and I'm wondering if I should make them. Oh my gosh, it has chicken in it! I'm a vegetarian. I guess we're just gonna go ahead and continue with onions and peppers. Just put in some all-purpose seasoning, and now here's some vegetable seasoning. I'm gonna add whatever this is, if it will just come out. Some paprika. Oh gosh. I put some salt, and I just placed some garlic powder in here. Raise the heat. So I usually pick the leaves off the thyme. That's what we'll call it, thyme. But I saw this Jamaican guy just throw it in there like that, so that's what we're gonna do. I finished prepping the broccoli, and now I'm going to steam it. Looks like the rice is ready. Ooh. I'm gonna add the lentils. I feel like this wasn't enough, but I only bought one because I figured, you know, I only needed one. Okay. Big tofu with sriracha in it. So I added water, as you can clearly see, and because I'm trying to dilute this thing, but I'm so irritated. I feel like I'm about to throw this out and make something else. Let's see what happens. So after receiving multiple suggestions, I have some lentils with peppers, onions, and cherry tomatoes. So overall, the food tastes really good. It isn't salty at all.